namhlanje thina ozosupporta la supported ukuthi cha South Africans must come first. They should be the first priority of everything.
Exactly. Remember, the more igama lithi visitor.
Yes.
I-visitor kusho ukuthi isivakashi.
Yes.
If kuthiwa uvisithe,
Yes.
wasu decide ukuthi bese uyahlala.
Yes.
Fanele ube namaphepha athi wena usuzohlala so that mina ngizokwazi uku-accommodate njengomuntu ongivakashela.
Yes.
Noma njengomuntu osuzocela umsebenzi. But amaphepha should say that. But uma sezo-interferisha ney'mpilo zabantu bakithi ney'mpilo zethu sekuwokunye lokho. And uyacabanga njengamanje who's leading amaphoyisa ilo wafika ezodlizwe owebalala ngaphesheya limhlophe usizana lo owafika ezotshala izipayisi kuze kuvalwe ingoma kaMbongeni ngema abantu bemasakha Phoenix Massacre uyangazi ukuthi ngisho ukutheni now abantu abalwayo balwela ukuthi ama foreigners akhipha ingane zethu la kuthiwa ihambe ze Greyville kuthiwa ihambe ziye kwesiphi ezinye izikole and is saying it awunambeza awusho lutho because abantu bakithi bafike bafakwa ngo matric abangafundiswa ngaphezulu nje begqoke the blue uniform they take orders from the white men ngoba basabaqala ukuthi uboss uthini futhi babathi hayi ngesikhathi belidwa ozuma nombatha ayisebenzi lena because they listen to the orders they respect our black people but njengamanje sithola bonke namba uyababona namba banesibindi sokulwa namba uyababona asibazi bonke. Funny enough, there are people about they are entitled to do anyhow in our space, in our province, in our country. This is KwaZulu-Natal. One must figure my country nabo. Umuntu behlala as a refugee. Or uhlale uma usebenza you get a permit to sebenza. But the arrogance abanayo and amaphoyisa kithi are taking part to that. They are giving orders ukuhlukumeza abantu bakithi ukuthreatenisha abantu bakithi in that space. Sibheke as a country. But ke ngenhlahla sayovota kobonakala.
Kuyabonakala. Yempela. Kuningi okwenzakala eSouth Africa njengamanje. Kunokuhijackwa kwamabhilidi, ama-drugs nokunye okusolakala kwenziwa ibona labantu bokufika. Uthini uvo lwakho la?
Uyabona ukhulume uyabona nje uyayibona Eddington Hospital iflat eliqondene nakhona akhona wonke manje but ngizokwenza example ngayo ama drugs sibikile amaphoyiseni kuba ngamaphoyisa district district CR rephethe ama police station from Umkhomazi up to Verulam about 43 police stations aphethe CR uma ngabe province izo raider la no General Mkhwanazi laba be province ibona bawo phathina namasosha size la si backup yamaphoyisa ayikadeze la and amaphoyisa to Durban Metro police station leya la point angikhulumi ngamanye wakude ibona benza labantu babe yilento abayiyona today so kushuthi izwe lethu lidliwe hayi kanye hayi kabili hayi kathathu sadliwe yilabo abangaphandle kobokufika ngaphezulu so mawukhuluma leyo nto nje kimi ingivusela uhlevane because ngihlale 21 days eWestville because of that
okunye sikubonile la sibone sekuqhunyiswa manje
ukuqhunyiswa besingekho isidingo sokuqhumisa but amaphoyisa they keep on pushing abantu were still negotiating bebekhuluma sinomama kuselo mama bambalwa kabi out of mama bawu 66 bancane kabi you can't tell me ukuthi 99.9% abantu bokufika ingane zayithi kuthiwa ihambe ze Greyville akuhambanga ngani lezi abantu abafikile behleli la for that matter la ekhona la le building I'm talking about that so okunye lokho esingakwazi ukuthi kusho ukuthini exactly
siyabona isikhathi sayo
asithokoze baba.